Hello, in this video, we'll be focusing on a sectional knit in which the sections alternate between one plain stockinette stitch and one open work. There are 3 stitches in each part. A purl stitch separates them. 8 loops and 4 rows make up the pattern. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side. Knit 1 for a divider. Purl 3 Indiana the plain section. Knit 1 for a divider. The open work section has 3 stitches. The thread is in front. Enter with the right hook 1 row below the second loop. Pull up 3 loops. Purl 1, yarn over, and purl 1. Purl together the 3 main loops. Repeat, knit 1. Purl 3. Knit 1. Pull up 3 loops. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, and purl 3 together. Continue to knit in this manner until the end of the row. Row 2 right side, purl 1 for a divider. In the plain section, knit 3. Purl 1 for a divider. In the open work section, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together. Repeat, purl 1, knit 3. Purl 1. Purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together. Continue to knit in this manner until the end of the row. In the next 2 rows, things get simpler. Row 3 wrong side, knit 1 for a divider, purl 3. Repeat, knit 1 for a divider, purl 3. Knit 1 for a divider, purl 3. Continue to knit in this manner until the end of the row. Row 4 right side, purl 1 for a divider, and knit 3. Repeat. Purl 1 for a divider and knit 3. Continue to knit in this manner until the end of the row. I've shown you a classy and elegant sectional knit that will add a rich touch to any knitted item. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.